I gotta get this shit. Eat his ass up. Them dolphin eat his ass up. Oh, they bite your ass. Nigga, you better get back, nigga. You better get back.
For real, dog.
You better get back, nigga.
That's what y'all gonna do.
Man, I'm blocking the car. I'm blocking the dogs for you. Hey,
You better get on the car, man.
Hey, you better get your ass in this car, man.
Shit.
You see I'm right here, nigga. You go, what's wrong with you? Man, I ain't gonna do you like that. But goddamn, we see your ass fighting down the streets. I'm like, damn, dog.